Hello everyone, welcome to the Quick WordPress websites. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the gem. With 400 plus ready to use demos, it supports for powerful builders like Elementor, WPBakery page builder, and the native WordPress blog editor. Whether you are beginning a business website, online store, portfolio, blog, or landing page, the gem provides the tools, templates, and customization options to make it happen. In this video, we will explore the gem WordPress theme installation, demo import, edit header, menu, footer, and edit pages using Elementor. One quick note before we start. To get your site alive, you will need a domain, hosting, and WordPress installed. If you haven't picked up your hosting yet, I highly recommend Hostinger. If you use our referral link in the description, you will get extra 20% off, bringing your cost down just less than $1.56 per month. If you purchase the gem theme, please unzip the folder. Once you unzip, you will get following files. Here you can see there are two main files. One is the gem Elementor, other one is the gem WPBakery. So this theme is supportive of Elementor builder, and this theme is supportive of WPBakery. So whichever builder you prefer, you have to upload this. So in this video, I will show you how to edit the website using Elementor builder. So I'll upload this theme. For that, first go to the WordPress dashboard, then go to appearance, then click themes. Here click add theme, upload theme, and choose file, and locate the unzipped the gem theme folder and locate the gem Elementor and click open. Now click install now. Installation will take a couple of minutes depending on your hosting and the internet speed. Once installed, click activate. Now you can see the theme is activated. When you go down, if you purchase the original license, you can copy paste the license here. If you use GPL version, it will be automatically activated. Okay, now you can click this plugins. So here it will list up the required and the recommended plugins, but the Elementor and the gem are the main required plugins and others are recommended. If you are a beginner, better to install all the plugins and activate. So click select all plugins, click install, click apply. Now it will install all the plugins one by one. Okay, now all the plugins have been installed and automatically activated. So once you click return to dashboard, it will return to the dashboard. Just dismiss this one. Now it will go to the next part, that is demo importer. So here you can import your preferred demo site. You can see there are very nice and beautiful demos available. Let's see how to import a WooCommerce or the shop site. So just click this one, shop. Here you can see there are so many options available. So there's no option to view the demo sites here. So if you want to view the demo site, you can go to the gem main website and you have to check it. Let's go to the gem main theme site. So let's go to the demo sites. Let's click shop. So the shop demos will appear here. Okay, let's try this one, shop landing. So click this one. You can see a nice shop clothing shop page. Okay, let's see how to import this demo data. Okay, let's install this shop landing. So click this one. So here it will say it required WooCommerce, wish list, and advanced custom fields. All it's required. So you have to install them. So click install and click this one, install. Okay, once the required plugins are installed, the proceed button will be activated. Now let's click the proceed. Click next step. So already the import theme options, import resolution sliders, and import demo media is there. Click submit. Okay, it will start the installation progress. Please wait 2 to 5 minutes depending on the internet speed and the hosting speed. Once the installation is complete, you will get the following screen. The demo has been successfully installed. You have a new website now. So preview website. So let's click this one. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. Once you go to the new in, you can see it's appearing like this. So here you can observe the menu items are not regularly arranged. You don't have a home page or other pages. So let's see how to edit these menu pages and how to arrange the home page and other pages. For that, again go to the WordPress dashboard and go to appearance. Then click menu. In the menus, you have to select the main menu that is already selected. You can see the first page is about us. Like that is going like this. The categories are custom link. So you can remove this custom link. Just remove this and you can see all the other items are appearing here. So this shop is a custom link. So the custom links are not the pages, so you can remove them. So if you want to add any pages, you can click here, view all, and here you can see this is the home demo pages here, home front page. So you can select that one and click add to menu. Now you can see the home page is added here, and about us page. If you want to change the place of about us page, you can drag and drop somewhere here, like after this, before this blog, you can put here. And the shop pages, you can see This is the shop page, so you can drag and drop here, and you can rename here the home page. You just make it as home, and the shop page you can just rename as shop. In other pages, for the moment, let's make them as the sub pages like this, sub menu items. I make them as sub menu items. So let's save, and let's open the page and see. Wow, now you can see the home page is appearing here, and once you click the shop page, you can see the shop demos like this. So if you want to edit this address bar, you can again go to the WordPress dashboard, go to settings, and go to permalinks. In the permalinks, you can see it's appearing as the plain page number. So if you want to make them like post name, you can select this one. This is a better option for the search engine optimization. You can save the changes, and sometimes the home page might not appear in the front page. For that, you have to go to the settings and go to reading. In the reading, you can see the home page by default select as home demo. Sometimes it may be selected as a different page. In that case, you have to select your preferred home page and save changes. Okay, now let's see how to edit this header and the footer. So to edit the header, hover on here, edit with Elementor. You can see custom footer demo, header sticky. So those kind of you can see. So you can edit this header demo. I'm opening in the new tab. As we selected the Elementor supportive theme, we can easily edit with the Elementor builder. Now you can see you can edit the logo and all other things. You can easily visually edit with the Elementor. If you're familiar with Elementor, it's very easy to edit with Elementor. So if you want to upload the logo, you have to go to the theme options. Here it says go to the theme option. Once you click this one, you can see in the dashboard gem the theme options. So in the theme options, you can see first one is the logo. So here you can edit the logo size and you can change your logo with your one. So once you delete this one, you can choose the image and select files. So you can upload any file you want and upload the image. Like that, you can edit the menu and headers. You can see the header builder, built-in header and headers and header demos. You can change other demos as well. You can see if you want to keep the sticky demo, you can select the sticky demo. So those kind of things you can select here. Similarly for the footer, you can click here. You can see the footer widget area. If you want to activate, you can activate the footer widget, and footer template is enabled. You can select some other footer templates and you can save. So let's open the page and see. I have removed the logo. So let's see how to edit the footer. Again, hover on this edit with Elementor, and here you can see custom footer. Click this one. You can see you can edit the footer here. If you want to add some new footer, you can click this plus icon and you can click this gem block. Here you can select a block. So you can select the footer. So here you can select any footer you prefer. So let's use this one. So if you want to preview, you can preview this footer. You can see it's a nice footer with the image in the description and the contact numbers and other details here. So let's use this footer. So click insert. When you go down, you can see it's nicely appearing. And so if you don't want this one, you can just remove this one, and if you want this social media item, you can keep. Otherwise, you can just remove this one as well. If you want to remove this one, you can remove this. In the copyright terms, you can edit with your copyright details here. So those kind of things you can do easily. You can see now the footer is appear nicely. So you can put your own images for this. If you want to edit the page, you can click edit with Elementor. Directly you can click edit with Elementor. Each page you can do like this. Now you can see any part of the video you can visually edit using Elementor builder. So if you are familiar with Elementor, it's very easy to edit. Please watch my Elementor tutorial for more detailed explanation. Once you click this one, you can edit the text here, or else you can directly edit here. Like this, you can easily edit. So you can replace images with your one. So like similarly, you can do the editing here and click publish. And if you want to edit the products and if you want to replace the demo products with your one, again go to the WordPress dashboard. Here go to the products and click all products. Now you can see the products, demo products are appearing here. So here you can edit the product and replace them with your own products, or else you can add your new products by clicking add new product. And if you want to give your PayPal, payment details, those kind of things, you can do with this WooCommerce. Click the WooCommerce home, skip this one, select the country, go to store. Okay, now one by one you can do. Add your products, set up payments, customize your store, collect sales tax, and launch your store. So those kind of things you can do. Please watch my WooCommerce tutorial for more detail for this. So this is the simple explanation of the TheGem theme installation, demo, import, and editing the content. So if you have any questions, please leave in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.